Hello?
Good morning. I'm Agent 413296. I'm calling you from the Census Bureau. I just need to ask you a couple questions for your country.
Yeah.
It'll only take about 30 seconds.
Okay.
Okay, do you think God created hiccups just to remind us that he can choke us out at any time?
I don't think God wanted to do that.
Is it bad that my wife gets the Victoria's Secret catalogue every month, but she does not know it because that's Darren's secret?
I don't even know why.
Did you get exceptionally fat to make you stab-proof?
Why would you ask such a question like that, though?
Between Idols, South Africa's Got Talent, and the nightly news, isn't it safe to say that if you have not been on TV yet, that you are just not trying?
I guess so. Okay.
And if you look like your dad, does that make it awkward when you go out drinking with your alcoholic mom? Have you ever realized that no matter how good you are at tennis, you will never be better than a wall?
No.
If oranges are orange, why isn't a lemon called yellow? What's your favorite bird sport? Parrot gliding or budgie jumping?
Oh, man.
None of those.
How else can you describe lasagna other than it's a spaghetti-flavored cake?
Dude, how many of these do you have? Because I'm really busy.
It is. Okay, I've just got one more question. Which Kim do you think has a more negative effect on the world? Kim Kardashian or Kim Jong-un?
Bye.
Do you still play sports, or have you realized that you can just go out and buy the trophies?
I'm going now.
Okay, I've just got one more question. Do you know that I am sorry and I apologize mean the same thing unless you are at a funeral?
Oh.
All right. Thank you very much. I've enjoyed this phone call. Thanks so much.
Oh, that was one of your good ones. That was really good.
You know what? Some very true statements in
Very
there.
true.
Very true statements.